Para ka rin kabalenta mong mag-chillax, kareng resto bar, siguradong patok yakya kayo. Ing bayong buklat a cable car king SM City Clark. Itiniing ka na ma-branch na niti ang pangmumuna king Central Luzon. Kaya katayang silipan ng grand opening ng restaurant king balita ng Patricia Mamawon.
Industriya ning bar and restaurant manibat 1992 at metong kareng minunang resto bar king Metro Manila. Pakilala yang ni kareng kapampangan ning cable car. Ami buklat king SM City Clark kinyang Sabado. Lugal ya kaning cable car para kareng kabalen na party goers. Partikular ing pagmaraguldang Antimo San Francisco pub ambience. Beer pong ang poreng pagmaragula putahi kalupan ning cable car rice sampong sisig rice.
So we decided to open Cable Car Clark because we believe that the market here is ripe for a new fun place where people can come, hang out, have a good time, and we are offering Cable Car's particular brand of fun.
Aliwa mo reng millennials ren target market ning cable car. Bagkus maging reng young at heart. Abisang mag-relax kaya rin ning obra.
Absolutely, for this branch, yes, millennials, no, we consider it as our market. But we've been in the industry for almost 25 years, so ang bracket kasi natin like kung 1992 mga teenager up to now, the experience is still there. So we're bringing the experience outside Metro Manila, and of course, we are very confident about the market here in Pampanga, and a lot of followers from Pampanga are wishing to have one branch here in Pampanga.
Didinanda mo naman kanong prioridad ng karelang specialty o pag maragula pamangan king resto bar kalupaning pizza ang pang chicken wings.
Actually, we have our new menu. We have the pizza, we have the sizzling wings. So it's Western food. Definitely the customers will love it.
Salukuyan natin ang apat na branch ng cable car king Manila, Ketiking Makati, Tomas Morato, BGC, Ampong Ortigas. Mibuklat siya naman ninyang Mila sa Banua ing mumunang franchise na niti king Iloilo Business Park. Makalugal yung cable car king Tech Hub 5 king SM City Clark.
We'd like to invite everyone to come visit us here in the Techno Hub of SM. Cable Car Clark is now open for business.
Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para kay News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.